Hello everyone, welcome to our new tutorial today. We will be making this pretty coffee cup. I hope you will like this tutorial, and if you do, please leave a like. This will really help to my channel. And if you are new to this channel and would like to watch more tutorials like this, please subscribe. In addition, if you are unfamiliar with Blender or 3D, please have a look at my courses which are carefully planned to teach beginners in a slow-paced, step-by-step manner in the quickest and most effective way. Check the link in the description below. Now let's begin the tutorial.
Now let's create one coffee cup on this table. Shift and right click, Shift A, mesh and cylinder. Scale it small, bring it to the top. Press tab for the edit mode, 3 for the face mode. Select the top face, press I, insert it, E and extrude inside. Backslash for the isolation view. Press tab, I, insect. Add the subdivision surface. Add the edge loop. Right click and shade smooth. Now we'll create the handle. Shift A, mesh and circle. Scale it small. RX90. Press tab for the edit mode, 1 for the vertex mode. Now E and S. Now select all, press A and extrude it. Now RZ90. Scale it small. Press tab. Press 3 for the face mode. Select the half faces, X and delete those. Add the subdivision surface. And now add the edge loop. Ctrl R. Right click and shade smooth. Now our cup is ready. Join both, Ctrl J. Now press backslash to come out of the isolation. Rotate it.
This tutorial is a part of my course How to Model Isometric Living Room in Blender. If you are interested, please check the link in description below. Thank you.